Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Guaifenesin is designed to loosen mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough up. While it doesn't stop coughing directly, it can make coughs more productive. For those seeking to alleviate dry or unproductive coughs, focusing on hydration and humidifying the living space can also be beneficial. Combining these methods with guaifenesin may provide the best relief.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.